So you want to accept payments on your website, but you're pretty sure that your customers are going to run in the other direction when they see your PayPal buttons? It's okay. I'll show you how to create a custom designed PayPal button that matches the style and design of your website. In this video, I'll be covering basic PayPal buttons like this one. If your button has a drop-down menu as part of it like this one, there's only one way to customize those, and we've made a separate tutorial for that. But if you've made a basic PayPal button and want to pretty it up, then I'll show you how to do that now. Hi, I'm Tracey from paulandtracey.com. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe. We share tips, tutorials, and simple guides on how to create your very own website. There are 6 PayPal buttons which you can create from within your PayPal account. Just so you know, you can't change the design of the smart buttons here, but they already come with a fairly modern design which includes animation plus 50 style options. You can make custom buttons for these 4 here, and that's what I'm going to show you now. Okay, there are 3 steps. The first step is to create a button on your website. Most web builders include an easy way for you to create elements on your page, such as buttons. I'm going to show you how to do this using the Wix website builder. For each website, the process will be a little bit different depending on what kind of website builder you have or platform you're using, but most web builders are going to be pretty similar to what I'm showing you here. Using Wix, you would go to the editor, and from the left side menu, click on the plus symbol. Then click on Button. There's a set of pre-styled buttons that you can choose from. I'll choose this one. And next, change the button text to whatever you want it to say. You can customize the button's color, shape, and font to match your overall web design. And you can also edit the hover effects here as well. I'll also add an icon to my button. To do that, click the plus button again, then select Decorative. Under Vector Art, choose Icons. Then click More Icons. And here you can search for button icons to use. Drag it onto the button, then position it where you want. And you can change the color by clicking on the design icon here. I'll change it to white to match the text. Finally, select both the button and your new icon together. What you do is select the first item and then hold down Shift on your keyboard and select the second item. And then click Group Elements. That will keep them together. Now we've made a button on our website, but it's currently not linking anywhere. So the second step is to get the link from your original PayPal button and connect that with your new button design on your website. To do that, go to paypal.com/buttons in your browser. Log into your PayPal account. And then from the top right-hand corner, click on View My Saved Buttons. This will take you to the buttons that you've previously created. Choose your button, and then from the drop-down menu, click View Code. Click on the tab that says Email. Now, this label from PayPal is confusing. It really should be called Link because you're not really limited to only using this in email. In fact, we're about to put it on a website. So they would have been better off calling this tab Link, which is what it is. But anyway, click Select Code and then right-click on the link and choose Copy. If you have a PayPal Donate button, you can access your saved buttons by clicking on the Donate button here. And then any previously created buttons will be shown here. Just click on it and then copy the link from here. If you haven't yet created your Donate button, it's really simple. Just click here and follow the steps, and once you're done, it will come to the same page. Okay, the third step is to now add that link to your button. To do that in a website builder like Wix, click on your button that we created earlier. And then select the link icon. Choose web address and paste the link that you just copied. We recommend that your PayPal buttons always open in a new window to avoid any complication with navigating back to your home page for your customers. Then click Done. I'll publish the page, and now I'll go and test the button. As you can see, the button used to look like this, and now I've changed it to my own design, which looks like this. And when I click on it, it takes me to the PayPal checkout page. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any questions about the video, then please feel free to add them in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.